morning, everyone. Last classes will be completed to refining of purifications and continuations part 2. And a few important processes use the metallurgists. A few important processes metallurgists. A few important process. The purification of the metal, we have to some process is there. First process, smelting. Second one, roasting. Third one, calcination. Fourth one, flux. Fifth one, furnace. The 5 process used in the metallurgy process. You have to purifying the metal, we can use the 5 process. First process is there, smelting. First process, smelting. Smelting is one of the pyrochemical process. Smelting is a pyrochemical process. Fire means heat. Fire means heat. Let us take in a on metal, the ore. One of the metal is the ore is mixed with a flux and fuel. The metal is a strongly heated. This metal is a strongly heated. Some gang will be removed. Let us take in a ore is a mixed with a flux and the fuel. This ore is a strongly heated. Some impurities, some strong gang will be removed or reduced. For example, let us take in a ore hematite. Ore hematite Fe2O3 is a mixed with a flux. Flux means calcium carbonate, and another one is the fuel is there, coke. Coke means carbon. ఇక్కడ మనం యూజ్ చేసినట్టుగా ఓర్కి ఏమేమి తీసుకున్నాము, ఫ్లక్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యూయల్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇదే ప్లేస్లో ఓర్కి వచ్చేసరికి Fe2O3 ప్లేస్లో వచ్చేసరికి ఫ్లక్స్గా ఏం తీసుకున్నామంటే కాల్షియం కార్బోనేట్ అండ్ ఫ్యూయల్ ఫార్మేషన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఇన్ ఏ coke. This is the process for a smelting. Smelting is the process only for heating process. Melting used in a only for blast furnace. Smelting we can use the heating process. Smelting only for heating process we can use a blast furnace. Blast furnace లో మాత్రమే smelting ని హీట్ చేస్తాం. Blast furnace. Smelting is one of the heating process. Smelting we can use the heating process in a blast furnace. Heating process use chesedi blast furnace. And next one, roasting and calcination by using a heating process, a reverberatory furnace. Smelting is the one of the heating process, the blast furnace, and roasting and calcination by using a reverberatory furnace. Reverberatory furnace. Roasting. Roasting is also one of the pyrochemical process. Pyro heat process. The ore is heated to with the presence of oxygen. Roasting is one of the pyrochemical process. The ore is heated to presence of air. Presence of air is called a roasting. For example, let us take in a zinc blend. Zinc blend ZnS plus presence of air. Air means to formation to oxygen. For oxygen, let us take in oxygen. To zinc oxide plus and sulfur dioxide. Okay, roasting is the one of the pyrochemical process. The roasting is the one of the, let us take in a ore. The ore is the heated to presence of air. Presence of air is called a roasting. Let us take in a element and zinc blend and presence of air oxygen to form the zinc oxide. Zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. The calcination is there. Calcination. Calcination is also one of the pyrochemical process. Calcine is the one of the pyrochemical process. Let us take in a ore. The ore is heated to absence of air. Roasting is there, presence of air, and calcination is there, roasting of absence of air. Let us take in a calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is there, limestone. Have to absence of air to formation the calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide is the solid state and carbon dioxide is the gas state. Thank you.